Hello everyone! Today I'm really excited to share my experience with a fantastic new hair system product that I've grown to love. As many of you know, my favorite Lordhair product used to be the Neo, primarily because its remarkably realistic front lace and the convenience of the polyskin at the back for tapes. However, I've just discovered a new favorite, the Vigor. I've been using this product for the past 6 months, and now I want to share my positive experiences with all of you. Let's take a closer look at the hair system. At first glance, you might think this is not too different from Neo, but Vigor has a fine mono in the middle and also thin skin parameters at the back, which is very breathable and durable. Compared to Neo, Vigor has a larger area of polyskin at the back than lace. Another significant difference is that Vigor is slightly thicker, making it easier to change the tapes and wash. Alright, now I'm going to demonstrate how simple it is to change the tapes on my hair system. My current hair system has been about 5 months old. As you can see, it is still in excellent condition. I've received a lot of questions from you guys regarding how to remove the tapes, as they tend to become very melted and sticky after a few days of use. However, this is not an issue with Vigor. As you can see, you don't require any additional products to remove the tapes. Alright, let me show you guys how I apply my hair system each morning. I prefer to position the tapes approximately 1 cm away from the hairline on the lace to ensure they don't reflect the light under intense lighting conditions. The tapes are already on the system, which I usually replace them every 5 to 7 days. To begin with, I locate my hairline, which is usually about 4 fingers above my eyebrows. Then simply press the hair system onto my head. It takes less than 10 seconds, then I'm good to go.